Hi friends, I hope everyone is doing good. This is HP printer. This is my office printer, HP PageWide Pro MFB477DW. This is the model number. So I want to show you how you can change the cartridges by yourself. So you don't need to call any technicians. So you can change by yourself. Let me show you how you can change. Here is the lid. So you have to open this, and you can see here the model number 973X. So this is the model number of your cartridges. So you have to push. Okay, then just pull it out. So in this way you can remove the cartridges and you can bring a new cartridge and you can install once again back. Just close the lid. So you have to close it. So once you will close this lid, the last checking cartridges. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel.